Welcome to the Cloud Brothers.
Pretty
Hello,
much, yeah.
Scott. What are we talking about today, I wonder? What a,
I believe, I believe a little birdie told me that you have your money on your mind and your mind on your money.
and my money on my mind, yo. That's right, I want to talk about budgets today because budgets are awesome. And also, I thought at first this was because I haven't really been using my AWS account the last couple of months. So I went, I
Yeah,
think this is a phishing scam. I saw right
I got it.
here.
I got a joke. I got a joke for you.
Okay,
Joke. You ready? You ready?
yes.
What do you call a fish with no eyes?
I don't know. What do you call a fish with no eyes? Uh,
A fish. Fish.
Best dad joke ever.
Anyway, okay.
Um, uh,
I, dig-
AWS
I
budgets.
digress.
Anyway, I digress to you, but this is definite. It says demo budget has exceeded your alert threshold. Okay,
Hmm.
is this phishing? Wait a second. That looks pretty much like my actual ID for one of
And
my
no,
accounts. That looks like a demo budget I named for a class. Yeah, my budget amount. So I'm just like, my alert threshold's at 6. So when
$6.
yeah, forecast it warns me, but the forecasted amount went way over by 13 cents.
You must be
13
rich.
cents. I look at this one here and it tells me this is my original when we were doing Twitch. It shows me all my service charges here,
Yeah.
forecasted. So anyway, it's probably not that one, so because it's zero. Because I did find it pretty fast, but I'm looking at the Udemy course, and now I look at the budget and I go, "Oh man, I haven't used this for a couple of months." And look at this
That's a
forecast is
different
month.
account.
Yeah, this is a different account. I've because I'm using two different browsers. I'm looking at this and I'm like, "What's costing me so much money?" Well, there's taxes, EC2. So the anyway, when you go in and you want to set this up, I'll just show you quick where it is. This is AWS budgets, right?
Yep.
Just to show the peoples. And what's cool about it is that I was walking down the street and the alert came in on my email on my phone. And at first I was like, phishing. Puh.
Yeah.
And then I went, wait, I better go look at this. And then we do have it on our list of subjects. So anyway, look in
Yeah.
here. That I created this budget a while ago during the Udemy
Yeah.
course to show the threshold, and it sort of shows me my use, like everything, my budget history from the beginning. My
Yeah.
budget every month I budgeted for $10. This one was 804, and this is kind of like we were messing around doing things for the Cloud Brothers channel.
Yeah.
So uh,
Can you only have one?
no, you can have as many as you want. So this is it. Forecasted cost
I would.
60%, not exceeded. Actual cost 80%. You do all these. You can edit them here. Like this is the same if you press create. So you can
Uh,
see here. You do the period, daily, monthly, quarterly, annually. The start month, January 22nd, January 2022. Here's my budgeted amount, and
yeah. What's the budgeting method? There's fixed. What's the other ones?
uh,
Fixed.
fixed, planned, and auto adjust. Oh, that's new. I didn't even know about this. Auto adjusting new. Use your spending or usage pattern to dynamically set your budget to each period. So that's cool. That's brand new. I've never even heard of that.
Yeah. So that's interesting. So if you have a lot more usage at Christmas time or
Yeah,
something, yeah, that's
absolutely.
cool.
You can probably set it. I haven't done it, but here's where I set my threshold for. Here's my first alert. Alert
Yeah.
one. When I hit 60% of budgeted amount,
Yeah.
trigger.
What
How should this be
what's
triggered?
the,
Forecasted.
yeah, what's the other options for your budgeted
The percentage is
percentage?
the absolute value.
Absolute. Oh,
So
okay. So you could say $10.
yeah,
Yeah.
so
Forecast.
I
Yeah.
could put $6 here or whatever, but
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
uh and then here's alert two. Like I made a second alert. You could set up a SNS alert or
Oh yeah.
a
Okay.
chatbot
Yeah. Yeah.
alert,
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
that
The
stuff.
first one is just the warning shot. The second one is like, hey,
Well,
you're at
yeah,
80% now.
yep. When I looked at this earlier, when I went through this, it's the Elastic IP is what's causing
All
this
right.
because
And you have an unattached Elastic IP.
and the Elastic IP is costing me money.
It's $1 something, isn't it?
I believe so. So when I go in here, but like I haven't done anything with the AWS account. So here it is. Here's my public
Yeah.
IP, my
So you can
associated.
just
So I can go to my
go,
actions and I say
yeah,
release.
release. Yeah. So you know why that is?
Yeah, it's because I've reserved the Elastic IP address, and if somebody, it's not available for anybody else to use.
Do you get charged for one that you're using?
No.
You should go write the test.
Yeah.
Because that is correct, sir.
That is correct, sir. And that's all I wanted to show today. Is
Perfect. Problem,
yeah,
problem, solution.
problem,
Notified of problem.
solution, notified of problem. Went into the budgets, went, oh yeah, yeah, that's real, and then went through the cost explorer and everything, which will be another video, which I didn't show in this one, but I knew it was my Elastic IP from looking at it earlier today,
Yeah.
and it tells you what region it's in, and now as you can see, it says no Elastic IP, so my forecasted budget should update in a few hours now that I've removed it or released it
Yeah.
under actions.
Correct.
Do you have any?
Like a professional. What did you need? What did you need me for? Kind of my question.
Well, I just wanted you to talk about. Do you have anything else to say about this?
No, it's good.
That's good.
All I have to say about this is that this specific thing that you just did is a cloud job.
Yeah.
There's a job called cost optimization that all they do, or departments called cost optimization, or whatever they call themselves. That specifically goes through customers' accounts and looks for things like this. So
Nice.
what you just did is a cloud job itself.
I like. Thanks for tuning into the Cloud Brothers. We'll catch you next time.
Next time.